What going on, guys? I'm Aru. Today's video I am talking about how to navigate page and how to navigate bookmark. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my upcoming new videos. I have 4 pages: contact price, project schedule, milestone and home. Now go to insert and buttons, go for navigator and page navigator. And go to format navigator and shape. You can change the shape. Fill. You can change the text font and height. Fill color. You can on shadow, glow, accent. Now go for vertical alignment of the navigator. Go for grid layout, and here you can change the orientation horizontal to vertical. Okay. Now you can change the padding also. Okay. So this is page navigator. If you want to create bookmark navigator, then first you need to create bookmark of the pages. Go to view, bookmark, and add. You can change the name as required. Go to milestone page, bookmark, add bookmark. Change the name as milestone. Go to project schedule, bookmark, add bookmark. Change the name as project schedule. Go to contact price, bookmark, add bookmark. Change the name as contact price. Now go to home. Go to insert, button, navigator, bookmark navigator. Now as previous, you can change the shape, style, fill, shadow, glow, accent, and also you can change the grid layout as horizontal to vertical. You can change the padding also.